Hey guys, welcome back to Binance Futures Trading with AntBot. Okay, so in this video, I want to talk about how much capital do we need per coin. Okay, I will also teach you how to calculate floating loss properly inside AntBot. So as you know, recently we are restarting over, and you can see the profit here. We're starting making nice profit. Now I start off with $1,000 here, my capital now. $1,000, and I want to show you how you can calculate your floating loss and how much capital needed. So from AntBot, it tells us that around $100 per coin. Now from AntBot users, most of us, we don't think $100 is enough. Okay, and by the way, you can see the user tutorial, they have a lot of explanation, showing you what is and how AntBot do the averaging. And previously, most of AntBot users do agree that I think around $200 to $300 per coin is good enough. And this is only for ranging market that is in sideways. Sometimes if you play with risky altcoin, for example, Wave here, you can see a Wave. This is an altcoin, guys, very risky altcoins. You can see the price is, when it go down very steep. You can see like 90% from the all-time high, and when it goes up, it go up very aggressively. Okay, so if you are playing with low market cap coins, which is the altcoins, usually the price movement is very drastic. Okay, so this kind of thing is very dangerous when you're doing shock, right? When you open shock, unless you know how to do technical analysis, then you probably could just open one position, maybe short position in this case. You could make a lot of money. But if you're using shock, guys, you want to play with steadier coin that is more stable, like BTC, Ethereum, other coin that the price movement is not that high. So this is actually safer than playing with like altcoins, Wave, FTM, and not to mention Luna. Luna just go to zero. So you can see here the price movement is very steep. And if you want to calculate floating loss inside AntBot, you can go to running here inside the trade. You can see your positions. Okay, position is the size, the total trading size. If you go to Binance, and then you can see, for example, here Ethereum, for my long position, you can double check it. It's the same, guys. You can see Ethereum long 465. That's my positions. If you go to your Binance, you can see 452. There's a little bit of difference because in Binance, it keep moving. Okay, guys. The one that you should see is inside AntBot, because AntBot is the more accurate one. 465. Okay, this is the total positions that you have. Okay, your total money in there, including the leverage. So that's your position amount, and you can see the ratio. Okay, that is the ratio. The ratio is minus 2.67%. So for Ethereum, let me go to Ethereum. Okay, for Ethereum, you can see here minus 2.6%. So that's the price change. How do you know your entry price? You can click on the coin, and then you can see your entry price, which is the average price, 18.17. So you can see 18.17. Look at the chart. Let me zoom in a little bit. Let me go to 4 hours so we can see it clearly. 18.17, guys. Okay, let's say somewhere around here. So the price has goes down by right now 2% something, right? You can see it. And that is the difference, the price difference from your average price or entry price. And you just multiply by your total positions. So 465.24 multiplied by the price difference, in this case is 2.74%. You will get your floating loss, which is 12.75. Okay, so this is how you calculate your floating loss. And how much capital do you need? Okay, so if you want to know how much capital you need, you first must understand the resistance and support level. Okay, so for example, right now Ethereum is at this price. This is long position, guys, by the way. If the market goes against it, what is the next support level? Okay, by the way, I teach you inside the private trading. If you haven't got the private trading, I give you the free indicator. Okay, how to find support and resistance on TradingView. I give you the free indicator here. For those of you who have used the link down below to sign up for AntBot, shoot me an email here at cryptosmartcoin@gmail.com. I will give you the access to the private training and also private Telegram group. We have very friendly admins and group owner. They are very friendly. If you have any question, you can chat with other AntBot users inside Telegram group. Okay guys, do let me know and send me an email if you have used the link down below and top up the AntBot energy. So let's say maybe Ethereum is going to go down to 1500. Okay, so as an example here, so we can expect from this level, from our average price just now, what was the average price? 1817. So 1817, let's say somewhere around here. So we can expect maybe Ethereum is going to go down to 1500. So 17%. Okay, you can expect this thing, 17% price difference. So we just multiply. All right, you just multiply. Just now your position was 465.24, or the quota here, you can see you multiply by 17.29%, and this is the total floating loss you're going to get. Okay, for example guys, if the market were to go against your current entry positions, that is, or your current average price, this is how much floating loss you are going to see, and pretty much this is how much capital you need to withstand that. Okay, to withstand that floating loss. Let's say if the market goes down 100%, you probably need another $400. That's how you calculate how much capital you need per coin. But it's a good idea, guys, if if the market already bottom like this, you don't want to open a short positions when you see, if the market goes down here. Probably you want to single run your short positions, okay, and then just open long position, because if the market goes down very bottom already, it probably is gonna go back up. You can restart your short position right here. Okay, you can restart it right here or somewhere around here. It's up to you. But if you have enough capital, guys, you don't really need to worry about it, because the bot will keep doing averaging, right? Talking about averaging, right now is, let's say, $500, and then maybe the market goes down. So it goes down like this. Let's say it goes down to 1500, and let's say, what if you do cover? All right, let's say the bot cover here at this price, and your average price become right here, correct? Right, your average price become right here, and now instead of 465, now is like 2000. For example, you have 2000 here. You have 2000 here, okay, 2000 positions USDT, okay, 2000. Now you must recalculate it. 2000 USDT, if it goes down to 1500, you have minus 12%. Okay, not from here, guys. Okay, not from here, from your average price. So 12%, 12% multiplied by $2,000 positions that you have, because the bot do the cover. You can see this is how much floating loss. Obviously, it's higher, correct? This is why if you have low capital, you don't want to do averaging as you like. Okay, you must do averaging wisely. Although if you do averaging, your price your entry price become closer to the current price, but your position amount become higher, guys. Okay, so does your floating loss. So when you do averaging, make sure you pay attention to the market structure. Make sure when you do averaging, you are sure that the market is going to rebound and hit your average price. Okay, so that's very, very important, and hopefully this video helped you kind of determine, you know, how much capital you need per coin and how to calculate floating loss properly. If you were to start here, guys, okay, you probably need more capital. There's no one size fit all. You know, I think 300 is enough, but if the market, you know, keep going down and you haven't hit your average price, you probably need like 1,000, 2,000, even more, okay, depending on the market. And not to mention if you play with, like, for example, Luna here, there's no point for you to do averaging because, you know, Luna just go to zero. So be careful when choosing the coin, guys. Already have a video here, you know, how to choose coin properly. Make sure you choose good coin. You know, if you play with risky coin, you can, but make sure you set a stop loss somewhere around here. Set a stop loss so that you don't lose all the money inside your futures wallet. Again, you know, based from my experience, 300 is good enough per coin, but sometimes you might need more, 500, even 1,000. That's why I keep telling you, you know, you must have backup funds, okay? And if you are playing with this kind of coin, right, you will hit your average price, okay? Let's say if you start here, the market keep going down, but your average price is here. You already hit your average price, guys. You already take profit, the bot take profit, and you will start from here, right? So this is very, very important. And if you can read the market, it's even better. You know, you can just open short positions if you can read the market, okay? If you know, okay, this is already overbought area, so the market probably gonna go down. You can just open, theoretically, you can just open a short position. You don't need to open short if you know, if you don't feel like to. Again, you can watch this more private training. I teach you, you know, when to choose direction. It's very, very important, guys. Go watch it if you haven't watched it already, and you can send me an email if you don't have access to this training yet.